Joder! I cycled through the glass and now my tire is flat. Fortunately, I know someone who can help me. He has his own bike shop in the city center. Let's go and see what he can do with my tire. Okay, I finally made it to the shop. Let's see if Enricas is inside and hopefully he can help me with my bike. First of all, can you introduce yourself a bit?
Yes, hello. I'm Henrikas Galgota from Lithuania, third-year student in IBS, Hansa University. And I'm 22 years old.
And where are you from?
I'm from Lithuania, Marijampolė, a small city actually.
And do you usually cycle there?
We don't really use bikes, but if you use it, we use only like mountain bikes for some reasons. I don't know.
And if you don't usually use bikes, why did you decide to open your own bike shop here?
Yeah, the idea was actually just to have a business, and it doesn't really matter what kind of business, just to learn the basics, how to run a business actually, rather than just to read books.
So, Hendrik, I had a big problem today. My tire is flat. Could you please help me to fix it?
Yeah, sure, but you have to follow my steps and do it yourself in order to learn it. Is that okay?
Okay, let's do it. I'm ready. Which is the first step?
Okay, so let's pretend it's happening in the street. So first of all, we need to flip it upside down.
It's upside down. What I should do now? The next step.
The next step is just to unscrew the windtill and this screw here.
Now, third step. What I should do?
Yes, you need this little metal piece, and you have to take off the tire. Now we put a pump on and pump it and find a hole.
Oh, I can hear the sound. Here is the hole.
Oh, yeah, so you see a hole there.
Can you hear it? Now we have the hole.
Yes.
What is next?
Next we'll need a glue and a patch, and just to scratch around the hole and just put a patch on.
Now we got this on. What we are going to do next?
So before putting it in back in the tire, we should definitely check for any glasses left in the tire. That's the most important thing.
Let's do it. Now, should I put this again
Yes.
in?
You put a tube starting from the windtill and just all over the tire.
Now the tire is back on its side. What is next? What I should do?
Next, we should put a ring and a windtill back into place and just pump it.
Thank you very much.
Yes, anytime.
Yes, I fixed my tire and all by myself. Well, with a little bit of help from Henrik. In the next episode, I will show you how to lock your bike properly. See you then. Hasta luego.